You've probably seen anime viral shorts everywhere, life inspiration stories told through anime characters. Look at this channel, multiple shorts with millions of views. And this other one is even crazier. The top video has over 61 million views. This isn't luck. There's a clear format behind it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these viral anime shorts are made using completely free AI tools. No theory, no guessing. I'll walk you through a simple 6-step workflow showing the exact prompts, steps, and results I actually use. Don't worry about saving the prompts right now. I'll show you how to get the full prompt pack at the end. You're watching What's Next AI. Let's dive in. The first thing we need is a story. And not just any story, a story that actually works. These viral shorts usually follow the same emotional flow. Struggle first, then a turning point, then discipline, and finally, quiet confidence. So instead of guessing, I use GPT to generate around 10 story ideas based on that arc across different real-life scenarios like school, love, or the workplace. Here's the prompt I used. Then I just picked the one that feels the most relatable and interesting. For this video, I picked the love and relationship one. Once you pick one strong story, everything else becomes easy. All right, let's move on to the next step. Now we turn that story into scenes. At this step, I use GPT again, but the prompt here is about structure, not creativity. I'm asking it to break the story into a sequence of clear visual moments that can be turned into short video shots. For this video, I'm using a version with 9 scenes, but this part is totally flexible. You can use more scenes or fewer scenes depending on your style. The key thing here is clarity. Each scene needs to be instantly understandable, even if someone only sees it for a second. Once the scenes are laid out, you've got a clear visual roadmap so we can build on it in the next step. Now we create the base image. One big reason these shorts perform so well is because they use popular anime characters people already recognize, so getting the base image right is key. This image locks the character's face, body, outfit, and overall style, and everything later needs to stay consistent with it. At this step, I create the image in Grok using this prompt focused on visual identity. I describe the character setup and style very clearly, aiming for a 3D face with a realistic body, not a flat 2D anime look, and I keep the environment simple so nothing distracts from the character. Grok will usually give you several variations. Just pick one that you like the most and feels right for the story. For this video, I use one base image as a reference and don't animate it yet. If anything looks off, fix it here first, then we're ready to bring it to life in the next step. Now we turn the images into video. At this step, I continue in Grok, but this time I'm using image to video instead of text to image. I start by generating scene 1 using the base image as reference, since this sets the motion, lighting, and realism. I usually try normal mode first, and if it's not good enough, I add a simple emotion or action, like him crying after his girlfriend walks away with her new boyfriend. Once scene 1 looks good, I switch back to GPT to prepare the video prompts for scene 2 to scene 9. This prompt turns each scene description into a short instruction for Grok, focused on what's happening in the moment and how the characters should behave. After the prompts are ready, the workflow becomes very repeatable. First, I upscale the scene 1 video and download it for later editing. Then comes the trick, and this is the most important part. I capture the last frame from the video and upload it back into Grok. Next, I copy the prompt for scene 2 from GPT, paste it into Grok, and hit generate. This helps keep the character consistent while letting the scene move forward. After that, I upscale the new video, download it, and capture a suitable frame for the next scene. It doesn't always have to be the very last frame. Sometimes I just pick the one that works best for continuing the story. If the generated video isn't perfect on the first try, that's normal. You may need to twist the prompt a bit to get a better outcome. From here, I repeat the same process, scene by scene. Upscale, download, capture the frame, upload it, paste the next prompt, and generate again. Once all the scene videos are done, we're ready to move on to the voice. Now we add the voice. At this step, GPT is used to generate the voiceover script. I use this prompt to create short, emotional lines that match each scene, usually 1 line per scene, so the voice stays clear and easy to follow. Once the script is ready, move over to Gemini 2.5 TTS in Google AI Studio. Inside Google AI Studio, choose Multi-Speaker Audio, then select a voice for Speaker 1 and a different voice for Speaker 2. Next, copy the script from GPT and paste it into the script builder box, placing each line under Speaker 1 or Speaker 2 accordingly. Then hit Run, listen to the voiceover, and rerun if needed.
Watching you leave, I disappear too.
Once everything sounds right, download the audio and keep it ready for editing later. With the voice done, the video is ready for the final edit. This is where everything comes together. Start by importing all the videos and the voiceover audio into CapCut. Arrange the scenes in the correct sequence so the story flows smoothly. Next, add background music using CapCut's built-in presets. Choose music that matches each part of the story, like sad at the beginning and more energetic during training, and keep it subtle so it doesn't overpower the voice. Then add a few extra text effects to highlight key moments. Simple effects usually work better than flashy ones. After that, turn on captions and adjust the font and size so they're easy to read on mobile. Good captions help with retention and accessibility. Once everything looks good, export the video and it's ready to post. Now let's watch how the final video turns out.
Watching you leave, I disappear too. Surrounded by people, completely alone inside. Maybe I was never enough. A quiet voice says,
"Eat this."
Day by day, I choose the work. My body listens to my discipline now. Confidence feels calm, not loud anymore. Nothing behind me needs explaining.
No magic, just habits that changed everything.
And that's the full workflow, from story idea all the way to the final edit. Everything you just saw was made using completely free AI tools. If you want the exact prompts I use to create million-view style anime shorts, just comment anime prompt below. I'll reply with the link so you can use the same setup and start creating your own viral style shorts. This is What's Next AI. See you in the next one.